Let's take a moment to reflect on energy, on the ancient concepts and perceptions that once shaped humanity's understanding of existence. There was a time when the world was filled with many gods, each culture holding its own truths, with no universal agreement on a single creator. Since then, beliefs have shifted, perspectives have evolved. But imagine if one day we come to a realization that the Creator or God is not something distant, separate, or beyond reach. What if the divine presence exists within every particle, woven into the very fabric of existence, including us? Humans are composed of countless molecules, yet within us lies an intricate and complex biology. We know that the earth itself is formed from countless elements, land and sea, mountains and valleys, each piece contributing to its unique landscape. In everything that exists, from the towering trees to the soil beneath our feet, we can recognize a profound symmetry, a perfection that instinctively connects us to the Creator. But this harmony, this flawless balance, is not just something crafted by the divine, it is where the Creator resides. Many believe that the wisdom of the ancients might be found in the very soil beneath our feet. But let's take this thought a step further. What if this wisdom is also imprinted within our DNA? What if the structure of our DNA holds not only the blueprint of who we are, but also a spark of the divine? Could it be that within our very essence, there is more than just chemistry, something far greater, something sacred? Chemistry is one of the many fields we study, yet it is the foundation upon which everything else relies. Within a single molecule of DNA, there are over 3 billion components forming an intricate framework. Those who study it might say that more than 3 billion chemical elements exist within just one strand of DNA, yet even this is only a small piece of the grand design. Each human DNA molecule consists of about 3 billion base pairs, the letters of genetic code, forming a complex structure that encodes genetic instructions. These base pairs are made up of 4 chemical nucleotides, adenine A, thymine T, cytosine C, and guanine G. While DNA is fundamentally a chemical structure, it also holds the blueprint for life, which is why some people interpret it as containing something beyond just chemistry, such as consciousness, information, or even a divine aspect. Scientists have been surprised to discover that almost 95% of the human genome is junk. In the past, they were quick to call it junk DNA, with all the intemperance of a half-learner. Today, it is believed that this dark section of DNA not only records the evolution of man, but also hides present-day functions that need to be unraveled. And all this makes us wonder what exactly this 95% of our DNA does. There are other functions that can be explained scientifically, however, there is no documented scientific evidence yet. Although there is no scientific evidence yet, we have all experienced situations that are not adequately explained by science. So let's start an inner true journey that will lead us to truths and information that we could never imagine. Many of us have lost loved ones, our father, our mother, our husband or wife. Even though they have died, even if years have passed, we continue to see them in our dreams. Sometimes these dreams are indeed so vivid that we hear their voice or even smell them. Where does all this come from? Many say that it is in our brain that can keep memories. Let's see what science says about this. DNA has long been seen as a blueprint for life, carrying the genetic instructions that shape who we are. But what if it is more than that? What if DNA is not just a biological code but also a system of remembrance, a hidden archive of past experiences? For years, scientists believed that memories were stored solely in the brain. Yet, emerging research suggests that experiences, especially intense or traumatic ones, may leave an imprint beyond neural pathways. Through epigenetics, we now know that certain life events can alter gene expression, passing down physiological and emotional responses to future generations. This does not mean that DNA stores memories in the way our minds do, with images and narratives. Instead, it may carry the echoes of what came before, subtle shifts in how our bodies and minds react to the world. Could this mean that within us lies an ancestral memory, a silent knowledge encoded in our very being? Perhaps the DNA within us is not only a record of biology but a living testament to the journey of existence itself. If memories, or something deeper than memories, are stored in our DNA, could they extend beyond this current life? Could DNA be an inseparable part of the soul, a bridge between past and present experiences? Perhaps this hidden knowledge allows us to carry forward wisdom from lifetimes before, ensuring that we do not have to relearn the same lessons over and over again. If DNA holds more than just genetic instructions, if it also holds the essence of who we are, then it may serve as a vessel for something far greater than biology, the continuation of consciousness itself.